is one of the projects I worked on for the weekend. I wanted a good way to pack sockets around mobily. And I didn't want them falling out once they didn't organize, so I got a bunch of deep sockets, metric and inch, short sockets, metric and inch, Torx bits, Allen wrenches, adapters, because some of these are 1/2 inch drive and some are 1/4 inch drive, 1 3/8 socket, 3 or 4 extensions, and as a little bit of an added thing, I pull this out on the underside. Here's a little cubby and a little mini hammer. Foam goes on top because these ones have a little bit more space to play. Nothing falls out.